The new and updated Charisma will compete with 250cc freight bikes which might show up on the market in the upcoming months. There are speculations about the engine, but there can't be any competition without official note from the company. Hero is expected to bring the Charisma 300 to the Auto Expo 2020. Along with this, the BS6 updated versions of the X-Pulse and Extreme will also be seen at the Expo. The X-Pulse 200 Rally editions will make the cameo at the expedition. We have done a complete review of the Extreme 200S, which is completely freight version of the 200cc engine from Hero. The official confirmation about the Charisma not leaving the market tell us that the company is working on updates and design and performance. Hero is planning on bringing a bigger 300cc engine instead of making the current 220cc engine be a 6 complaint. This might a good competition to the 250cc vehicle, which is usually the cases with Hero engines. There is no confirmation on this, and Hero might end up giving on the bike the same 220cc engine as the Xpulse 200T. We also expect to see some new design elements on the vehicle which will be in line with the contemporary design lines. For the Charisma ZMR BS6, the bike needs a complete design overhaul. This vehicle is not ready to compete with fair vehicles in the market. The Hero Charisma has been a part of a competition that was for the Bajaj Pulsar 220F, which is still strong in the Indian market. The manufacturer tried to bring back the bike in the market with a rebrand of ZMR, but it doesn't work against the Pulsar 220F. Hero Charisma ZMR is a vehicle that has been on the market for the long time. The sales of the vehicle has been very less for the Indian market. The international sales figure have been declared. The brand gave out of the statement, Charisma is not discontinued and continues to be a part of our portfolio. At present, we are focusing on the model in our overseas market. This tells us the Hero Charisma ZMR BS6 might be a bike we can expect to see. Let us hope this bike will hit the market soon.